This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Fabulous upgraded pool home with a bright open floor plan, granite countertops and white cabinets in kitchen, beautiful lush landscaping with preserved view and a very private pool area, hardwood floors in living areas and bedrooms, tile in bathrooms, plantation shutters throughout, recently painted inside and out. Crown Pointe is a conveniently located community just minutes from 5th Avenue Naples and Naples' white pristine beaches with very low HOA fees, yet it offers a clubhouse, a community pool, exercise room, pickleball, sauna and more. For more information, review the details below.